Guys, welcome back to my channel. As the title suggests, we are in Jubail, Fanatar. So this place is far away from the Jubail city. It's very pleasant and beautiful, and nearby you can find out various kinds of restaurants, mall. Even Fanatar Mall is there, Galleria Mall is there. So everything in one place you can enjoy. And best time to visit this place is 4 p.m. till 6 p.m. That is because you will get the ship excursion, so you can enjoy sitting. The sharing ship is just going once, so it is for 30 minutes, and you have to book it. And also, if you are newly comer and if you are at the right time, then they may take you. The ticket is 20 yals per person and 10 yals for smaller children like 8 years or 9 years. That's it. So you have to fill the form advance. They may ask you the personal details like if you are in Saudi, then you will have Ahkama or any license where your details are there for security reasons before entering. And also you have to fill in advance and give. Once you show that, you can enter. But as I said, that if you have visited and you did not know and still you are at the right time, then they may take you without that need. So now we have about to enter in. There are 2 floors in the ship. This one is the first, we are going to second one. So there is this steps. You have to be very much careful when you are taking steps. So when you are at this 4 p.m. to 4:30 p.m., that time you can see the view will be very beautiful, very bright. So everything will be clear. So we experienced at this time both even the night view and even the day view. So that is the advantage. As we were going further, the air was great. The slow breeze, and you can see the safety measures are taken inside. They have kept it. And also this is the below floor, the first, which we don't go above the floor, just the below one. If you want to stay there, then you can. From down it is very easily you can see, and the pictures will come out very much beautiful as compared to the top view. There are seats inside. You can also sit here and watch the view out. So they have kept the chairs at the top. We can stand and sit as we prefer. So we enjoyed a lot, and it was so pleasant seeing the view. You can see the water waves in beautiful color. Around half of the sea was covered, and the speed was also great, not that slow. So yeah, even when it is going on, you can even go at the first floor and second floor as you prefer. Take the flight riyals for the private family. But here it's fun because you can get to see from the high view. And also it's fun to walk the up and down stairs. Very different feeling than the normal ship. So after 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes, it was there and we came. We find out here various kinds of transportation, water transportation. And this is the best thing about Jubail Fanateer. Earlier it was not that much developed, but yeah, from recent 2 to 3 years, this has come into the new innovation that they have done. So once in a while, those who are here nearby should visit. All the informations I have covered here. If you have any doubts or if you want to ask any necessary things, I have shared my experience here. So do comment. I would like to know. So watch full video. And thank you for watching. That's it. I hope you like the video. Take care. See you soon. I'll come up with more kinds of videos. So till then, stay connected.